Tutto intero fino a dove? Fino a qua o fino ai piedi? Fino ai piedi. Ah, top. Ottimo. Oddio, sono emozionato. Aspetta che mi devo ricordare come è iniziato. Che dicevo sempre? Hello, hello everyone. Hello guys, welcome back. Actually, I am back to the YouTube channel. I'm actually gonna be doing a video for you guys because, you know, in this quarantine period, we're all going back to the roots, right? So I want to show you, since I was going through some clothes and some outfits I'm willing to rock after the quarantine for this summer. I was thinking about why not showing you some of the old school ways I used to do, like YouTube videos, sorry, about the style that I'm gonna rock this summer. So I'm just gonna go through some looks, and welcome back to the MDV channel. Thank you guys for watching. By the way, for all of you guys that follow me on Instagram know that I bought the silvers to play golf. And you guys all made fun of me, and I was making fun of myself too, but I kind of enjoy them now. So this would probably be my first look. I don't know, this is pretty easy. I love the shirt. I wanted to show you, and it looks white and blue, but it's not, it's white and black. Nice pair of joggers. It's like with a fabric that is very elegant, so, you know, it looks kind of classy. And you guys know I'm one of those guys that love the bottom of the trousers to be very short and tight. I used to wear it like that. You can do both, to be honest. It's cool both ways, but actually we're making trousers a little bit longer now. You know, you can decide, because I kind of like this relaxed style as well, because, you know, you gotta remember one thing. Fashion. Fashion is supposed to make you relax, you know, enhance your life, not cause you more stress or something like that. So, you know, you first of all gotta be comfortable. And when something feels comfortable, I know you wanted to laugh, but it was a serious thing. You know, I kind of like that too. By the way, this is the first one. As soon as I'm gonna go out, first day I'm gonna go out, hopefully it's gonna be 30 degrees, I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna be like, yo, what's up guys? I like it. A little bit Sicilian style. Okay, let's shoot. And by the way, because I said that before, whoever doesn't follow me on Instagram, go follow me there, because you can see a lot of, you know, the daily stuff that I do, all the photos that I publish, my family moments. And it's, you know, it's a great way to connect. I don't use YouTube that much anymore, but I will, and I'm gonna do that, for sure. That's a new beginning. And by the way, I wanna give a shout out these kind of shoes. First of all, they look cool. As you see, I'm dressed in black now, white and black. And still, this cognac color still looks good on it. You know, they're comfortable, because you can wear that easy. You know, somebody has a flip-flop, you just put it inside. Very, very nice. They're probably gonna be my new, you know, go-to after the mocassino, I don't know how you call it in English. Pretty cool. Another great one. Still the same color. I don't know if you guys noticed in the past, but this is probably one of my favorite colors, to be honest. This kind of brown, this cognac. I'm happy we made this year, because I think this summer is gonna be key. All the elegant, chic, gypsy style looks that I love, I think it's probably gonna be one of the best ones. Powder pink. I mean, it's not bright pink, it's not fluo pink. It's like, I don't know if you can see, it's like the face powder the girls use. It's not really pink, it's like gray pinkish. Weird, but it's a beautiful color, to be honest. I'm very happy. It's like that kind of style, that kind of color that Kanye used a lot on the last summer looks. I don't know if you guys remember. And I thought that bringing these onto a shirt, that would be cool. You know, it's kind of cool. It's natural colors, gives you that attitude, that look of a shirt with earth color. I love it. Striped trousers, cognac shoes. I mean, of course, you can wear a lot of accessories with it as well. Necklaces, bracelets, the chain, and, you know, whatever. Not spending that much time to take care about all the details now, but we do know that details matter. Faccio vedere, look. Okay, a great trick that I shared, it's how to get the kind of look, the gypsy look, the, you know, easy casual style that I really like. It's very easy, like the one that I said yesterday is like, first of all, I got a lot of funny videos of girls that send me videos of their boys trying to do the tuck-in shirts like the way I do, and it looks weird on them, but it's pretty easy. Like the only thing that you don't have to do is leave all this right part going down straight like this would look weird for me too. So you gotta, the secret is you take the shirt, pull the pants, you put it inside on the left side, and you leave this part like that, which means it doesn't have to go straight down, but halfway it has to be tucked in. That's it, more or less. You know, it's just to give you that I'm not trying hard look, you know what I mean? Second of all, for the sleeves, because it's very important, you can even leave it like that, open, just like this. But again, it kind of look weird sometimes. It depends on the shirts. This one is pretty well done. I love it. It's all distressed and stretched. It's pretty cool. But you can do two things. First of all, pull the sleeve up from the middle. You take the end and you tuck it inside, and you got this thing flying around on the side. This is pretty cool. This is probably the one I use the most because it's easy. You just go like through, tuck it inside, and you're done. There's different ways, actually. I'm gonna show you another one. You just take the sleeve, you roll it up like this, you roll this part on top of the border here, and that's the clean look that you usually use for elegant shirts, okay? This is not the case. This is more gypsy style. I would probably go with the one that I was telling you before. You just pull it here, tuck this part in, and you roll this. Easy, you know? It's a different kind of style. I like it. Okay, let's shoot the trousers. All right, so I know we've done this color last year. Okay, I'll stop. I mean, guys, look at this. I mean, I feel so energetic with this shirt. It enhances your power. I mean, the fit is amazing. Okay, I'll stop. But it's beautiful. Let's shoot it. And then you gotta go. All right, mostly about shirts, especially in the summer for me. Shirts, t-shirts, a pair of good trousers. I mean, that could be key. These ones are pretty short. They're meant to be like that. We did this design, which is called carrot style. I mean, nothing new, but we like this baggy style, pretty short. These are perfect for your evenings, aperitif times during the summer. I mean, you wouldn't go to the beach with these. We have the larger ones. You would go to the beach at evening, so because they're good with the shoes like this, or actually barefoot. I mean, this is the perfect style. This is one of our best sellers, and you know, the fabric is amazing. This is one of the ones that I would rock the most probably this summer. Super easy, black and gray, cognac shoes, brown shoes. I mean, look at this, super easy, effective, couple of necklaces, bam, you're good. Easy style, you know, you feel comfortable, everything is kind of loose and soft. Look how soft is this fabric. Still classy. I love it. A lot of you always ask me questions about become a model. How do I do this? How do I do that? First of all, I have a lot of experience because I've been working and doing this for other companies for, I think, 12 years, 10 years, something like that. Yeah, I'm that old. And second of all, there's some little rules which I'm maybe gonna talk to you through in another video that you have to follow. And you got a lot of bad examples in life, like in your head, but it's not the way it's supposed to be. For example, one of the ones that comes to my mind because I just did it is the cropped finger. Never put your finger in the pocket like that. Never, ever, ever. In a video, in a photo, it will just look from far away that you're missing a finger or that your finger is cut in half, you know? That's the worst thing you can do. I know Jennifer Lopez does it in a video, in a movie. I remember that as well. She was walking around like this. I mean, I get that, Jello, you know, I love you. Sorry about it. But it's just, you know, those little things that you don't have to do. Sure, a lot of you guys know it better than me right now because a lot of you are taking photos and blogs and stuff like that. But this, nah. What to look for in a shirt for the summer if you want something like this? First of all, just go on NOHOW and buy it on NOHOW because that's all the stuff that we do, because look at the fit. There's no tricks here, guys. I got nothing on the shirt like a lot of websites do. They all put the things in the back, the clips. I mean, look at this, perfect. But what you gotta look for is this V right here. You see the beautiful part of this shirt is made by this line that we made like this, up, down, right, and down. So it gives you this shape. I mean, for me, this is key. Every time we make a shirt, it's linen, I always make sure it has this look. For me, it's fabulous. I mean, easy. Easy. This is a shirt I designed myself. I like it a lot. Once you understand the shape and the meaning of this shirt, you're gonna start to appreciate it. So this is a shirt that is supposed to be worn however it comes. You just put it on. It's like a thing that you put on. I'll call it a freestyle shirt. The shape is super beautiful. I like it very much. You know, it has all these things going around. You see this, then the pocket inside, buttons like that. It has this part like this, very long. But if you can see that the shape is actually the opposite of the one that we just saw. So it's like, boom, straight like that. It's just a square, you know? Still goes up like this. It still has the V, which I like that much. It still has that kind of shape that we were talking about before. So it goes long in the front, like this kind of thing. And I think it's, you know, it gives it that kind of super style that is super cool. Again, you don't want to wear it like this. You go boom, 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 up, tuck it in. So you got these buttons here, all the details are pretty nice. It looks rich, but it has nothing. Just literally a good linen fabric, which is super cool. There's no colors. This is the natural color of the linen. It's like this. But it's a key piece for me. One of these kind of pieces is the pieces I wear the most and I enjoy the most in the summer. Always people are coming up to me and they was like, oh, that's a cool shirt. And it's like this, like this. I mean, look at it. It's just a cool design. I'm happy about it because of the design, but it's cool. It's just like this. Easy and chic. Open it, wear it on the beach, you wear it on the aperitif. You can go to dinner with this. Still looks good. One button, even with none. I think it's one of those pieces makes a difference and stand out in your wardrobe, but they're so classy because they're so easy. Look at the neck. Stay here. Bam. I think it's pretty cool. It's like this. Hope you guys like it. I feel like a little bit of Guardate che figo. C'ho il doppio bottone sulla manica. I love it. Bella, bella questa. Okay, let's go through these because you guys ask me a lot and it's a very delicate point. You guys should have a classy linen suit in the wardrobe. Yes, I totally agree with that. I underline that. It's a very important piece, to be honest, because in the summer you wouldn't want to wear shiny fabric. You don't want to wear, I mean, there's a lot of colors, there's a lot of fabrics that still look good in summer, but linen, I mean, come on, it's the most chic thing, chicest. I don't know if you can say chicest. It's the chicest thing you can wear. I mean, I would love to wear linen 365 days a year, to be honest, because it's the best. Just a matter of finding a good suit that fits you well and has a good fabric. I mean, look at this one. It's one that we did for this summer. It's linen, 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 as you can see. But look how beautiful it is. Look what a beautiful shape it has. Still a little bit, you know, like kind of relaxed style, but it's pressed in the middle, so you get this line, even if it's actually a little bit wide, not too tight, and it looks good. I mean, this is linen, 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 linen as well, but it's brown. You know, it's a different color. It's brown. It's you know, it's just a matter of finding the stuff that you like the most and fits you better. I want to show you this one because I think it's pretty cool. It's all linen, 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 linen. It's a whole linen look. Cognac shoes again, brown shirt, linen, 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 the suit. Then I'm going to show you how you can mix a linen suit with a lot of different things, and you can actually use it a lot of time during the same summer. Because, you know, we're always, especially men, you know, we're always worried about how many pieces do I have to buy? How many, you know, I don't want to buy one piece that I'm going to wear only one time in my life. So the secret here is linen, 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 linen. Maybe going to wear it sometimes with the shirt, sometimes without the shirt, sometimes with the jacket, sometimes trousers with the linen shirt, you know. You don't really have to use it all in two pieces. If you want to look classy, you want to go somewhere. If you have an event, an elegant event during the summer, you can wear a linen suit, guys. There's no rule about that. I mean, as long as you feel comfortable, you look chic. I went to Amfa with this, with a linen suit. I mean, no one ever said that to me, anything. You can go there with a silk robe, as I did last summer, but you can go there with a linen suit. I mean, that suits perfectly to the event. Every event, it's in summertime and it's hot, you can go with linen. There's no problem about that. Of course, it's not gonna be as elegant as a smoking. If it's a smoking and there's a dress code, you gotta go with the smoking. But if there's no dress code, linen suit, super chic, super elegant, and you feel super comfortable. Trust me, the confidence you get from a linen suit because it's so comfortable, it's worth so much more than a shiny fabric or something like that. So, you know, I highly suggest you to have a nice linen suit like this one in your wardrobe. I'm gonna show you how to wear the same thing with different things so you feel, you know, less worried about spending your money on a linen suit, which is actually, I don't think this one is gonna be over 300 euros, to be honest, on our website. So if you wanna check it out, nohowstyle.com, it's probably even less than that. glasses. Put it on the glasses. So guys, the way I would wear a linen brown chicest t-shirt, you can leave it out like this. It's good because it gives you that nice shape on the body, but super easy. Similar to the shirt, pull the pants, put it inside in the middle, pull it up, and then you take it and you pull it down. If it's too much, you just take it here to make it fade a little bit more. That's what I would like to see on people. The top part of the trousers, which is usually the most nice one, gives you the tailor look. Or if you have a belt, it's always good to see the top part of the trousers. Makes it look a little bit more clean, but not too much, all the way tuck it in. How I would wear a linen t-shirt is like this. Put it in the middle, gives you the chic, you know, confident look, but still look clean in the front, especially if you're wearing elegant trousers like this one. That's it. I had to show you the same suit with different stuff underneath. First of all, this shirt is amazing. If you love flora, if you love African style, that kind of style, this is all inspired by Africa. It's amazing. I love it. One of my favorites for this summer. I mean, look at this. Look like Ace Ventura. I don't know if that's a good example to give. But I mean, look at this. Samurai style, you go into a party, you attend like this. I mean, it's a win for me. Secret I told you before, tuck it in. So, I mean, look at this. The good thing about a suit like this, in this color, especially in this color, is that you can wear it with everything. All the shirts we saw before, pink, blue, dark blue, black, light blue, brown, floral shirts, all looks amazing like this. It's just something to prove the point I said before. Okay, thank you, suit, thank you, thing. Look at this. Look at this. Last one, but not the last one. Last thing I want to tell you, it's open shirt. You always ask me, because I always have these open shirts in the summer. The limit for your open shirt in public places, restaurants, at the bar, it's right under the chest. You know the chest line? Like the button that is on your chest line should be the last one that is buttoned up. You don't want to go lower than that, like this, unless you're on the beach or you're home with friends or you're whatever. But when you go out, chest line is the last one. Public places. Okay, I really focus on shirts and trousers. Don't really rock that many shoes, even if I have quite a lot, because I'm addicted to shoes probably. But once you have 3-4 pair of shoes, elegant, like these ones that you can rock on everything, let me get it for you. Mamma mia. Ti ho detto che lo rompevo prima di sera. That would be probably my choice for the summer. White sneakers, always. 009, our bestseller, shoes that you guys love so much. Good shoes take you good places. You gotta choose your shoes carefully. We produce all the shoes in Marche, one of the most famous areas in the world. Best leather, best shoes in the world come from there. Even our sneakers are made in Marche. So that would be my choice. A dark shoe, pretty easy, neutral line, not too shapy, not too large, that you can wear with everything. This is one of my favorites, to be honest. And, you know, must have, probably another must have, and probably the best one for the summer is this one. I'm gonna go to Sardinia this summer. That's the shoes I'm gonna bring. We cannot bring 2,000 shoes. And then the rest is gonna be cool trousers. Look at this one. This is very comfy. Fabric's super light. Shirts like this, they take no space in the bag, and you can change style so easily. So that's probably the last thing I'm gonna say to you, because I'm gonna leave now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video comes out pretty nice, to be honest. And I'm happy to be back on the platform, happy to be here making some content for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment if you like it, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends if you find it helpful. And you know, I'm gonna answer to your comments because I'm curious to see what you guys think about it. Love you so much. See you in the next one. Ciao. Top, è stato facile. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. I loved it, that was fun. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more, or what kind of comments, what kind of comments I want to read. Beautiful comments. What kind of videos you want to see next, okay? Got a lot of time now, because nothing to do, we cannot go anywhere. Thank God I have the set, so you know, just whatever you want to know guys, just let me know so I can do contents for you. Love you guys, see you in the next one. Ciao!